Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get full screen start menu in any Windows 10 computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you here by going to the start menu. So you can see here it's not a full screen start menu. So how you can get a full screen start menu in any of your Windows 10 computer. So for this, what you need to do, you need to click on this start menu icon, just tap on it, and here you can see a settings icon, just tap on it. Now under this Windows setting options, here you can see a personalization, just click on it. Now under this personalization options on the left panel, you can see here start, just click on it. Now you can see on the right side here, use start full screen, just turn it on. Now just let us minimize this, and now let's check us. Just click on the start menu icon. Now you can see a full screen start menu in your Windows 10 computer. So here you can see this is a pin tiles. When you have pinned any applications in the start menu, then it will show you, and below is the all applications list. So if you want to choose anything, just type a word. You can just say a type word, anything you want. So in this way you can get a full screen start menu in any Windows computer using these options. So if you never known about how to turn on this full screen start menu in Windows 10 computer, then try this tutorial. And if you like this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.